What up mga idolo? Let's talk about glow valve. By the way, this video is just a continuation on our previous content. And for today, we're gonna dismantle this valve and see what is inside. As what you see in the video, the top part of the valve is already detached to its body. And now, allow me to familiarize you the parts of the glow valve. This one here is called handle or hand wheel. And next one is the bonnet. The middle part of the bonnet is called the gland flange. Now, if we will remove the gland flange, the next part that we can see is the gland packing. The gland packing is used to keep the fluid inside the valve. In other terms, it is used for sealing so that the fluid will not come out. Next is the valve stem. This part of valve is where the hand wheel and the disc is connected. Basically, it is used to transmit the force so we can operate the valve by opening and closing. So this is the disc and this is what it looks like. The disc is part of the valve that moves perpendicular to the seat. It is the movable part of the valve which blocks or free the flow. Inside the valve body, we will see the seat ring. This is the sensitive part of the valve where a small scratches can lead to a leaking. What up mga idolo? Let's talk about valves. First of all, this is an example of a glow valve. And this valve is used to stop or control the flow of the liquid inside the pipeline. The arrow indicates one-way flow. It means this valve is a non-return valve, while 10K or 10 bars is the pressure he can handle. And 80 or 80 mm is the nominal diameter of the valve. This one is the gate valve. And this valve is designed for the operation of fully open and fully closed only. It means you cannot control the flow of the fluid using this valve. Butterfly valve. Glow valve and butterfly valve have a common similarity, which is to control the flow in the pipeline. But on the other hand, butterfly valve cannot be a non-return valve. Quick closing valve. These valves are fitted to fuel oil tanks and lube oil tanks. The remote activation for closing this valve is located outside the engine room. So if there's a fire in the machinery space, you can easily evacuate the room and safely activate the quick closing valve in the fire station.